Welcome to Ramadan Special Iftar Series Episode 9. Today's recipe is spaghetti bolognese. It's a super easy and a true Italian classic with a tomato-based meaty sauce. It only takes 30 minutes from start to finish, made with simple ingredients without skimping on taste. First, make bolognese sauce. Heat oil, add minced garlic and chopped onions. Saute for 3 to 5 minutes, add minced meat and brown it. Then add tomato puree and Italian spices. Add water and simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. In the meanwhile, boil the spaghetti according to packet instructions. You can either make the bolognese and then spoon it on top of the pasta, or add the pasta to the pan with the bolognese and mix it together. How do you prefer to serve yours? Personally, I like with bolognese on top of the spaghetti, and then enjoy. It's yum.